Polygraph examinations, commonly referred to as lie detector tests, are important tool in the field of law enforcement, national security, and employee screening. The use of polygraph examinations has been a subject of debate, but they continue to play a significant role in various aspects of society for several reasons. Law enforcement, polygraph examinations are used by law enforcement agencies to aid in the investigation of criminal activities. They can be used to obtain information from suspects, witnesses, and victims, and to verify the truthfulness of their statements. They can be also used to screen potential informants and witnesses to eliminate suspects from ongoing investigation. In the national security, polygraph examinations are used to screen individuals who have access to sensitive information or who hold position of trust within the government agencies. By security agencies can identify individuals who may pose a risk to national security due to their potential involvement in espionage, sabotage, or other unauthorized activities. While in employee screening, many employers use polygraph examinations as a part of their pre-employment screening process, especially for positions that require a high level of trust and responsibility. This can include positions in law enforcement, government agencies, financial institutions, and other security-sensitive industries. By administering polygraph tests, employers can ensure that they are hiring individuals who are honest and have the integrity to handle sensitive information and perform their duties and responsibilities.
While polygraph examinations are not foolproof and are not admissible as evidence in many court proceedings, they still serve as a valuable tool for gathering information, identifying potential risks, and making informed decisions in various aspects of society. When administered by trained professionals and used in conjunction with other investigative techniques, polygraph examination can provide valuable and insight and help ensure the safety and security of individuals of organizations. Rehabilitation and monitoring. In some cases, polygraph examinations are used in the rehabilitations and monitoring of individuals who have committed criminal offenses. These tests can be used to assess the progress of individuals undergoing rehabilitation programs, as well as to verify that they are complying with the terms of their parole or probation.
Good day, everyone. A polygraphic, often called a lie detector, is a machine that measures human response to question. Measuring a lot of psychological symptoms of anxiety or emotion to estimate if the subject is being truthful or not. It is a device or procedure that measures and records several physiological indicators, such as blood pressure, pulse, respiration, and skin conductivity, while a person is asked and answered several of questions. A polygraphic test is used to prove the truthfulness of subject and measuring and record several physiological index.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Ako po si Normijan Torres, investigator on case of a murder case ni Mark Brian Sablot na taga Luna, Apayao.
Good morning din, sir. Ako si Jan Christopher Caliena, the examiner o ang magiging examiner ng ating suspect.
So, ito po yung ating summary ng ating case ng suspect.
So, tell me something po about the suspect, sir.
Base sa aming investigasyon, si Mark Brian Sablot ay nakatira sa Luna, Apayao, 23 years old.
Then ano po yung kaso?
Siya ay nag-commit ng murder.
Tell me something po about the murder case of Mark Brian Sablot.
So, sa aming investigasyon, si Mark Brian Sablot na 23 years old ay nakatira sa Luna, Apayao. Siya ay nagiinuman kasama yung victim na ang pangalan ay si John Lloyd Tomas. Sila ay masayang nagiinuman at bigla-biglang nagkwentuhan. Pagkatapos, biglang naganap yung pangyayari na hindi nila nagkaintindihan. So, ayun, nadaan sa malagim na pangyayari. Kaya si John Lloyd Tomas na victim ay nag-alitan sila ni Mark Brian Sablot, at yung suspect naman is hindi matanggap yung kanyang alitan, kaya nagsuntukan sila. Tapos pagkatapos nun ay si Mark Brian Sablot na nasuntok yung victim. Yun po yung naging sanhi ng pagkamatay ng ating biktima.
Okay po, sir. Then, tell me about the background investigation sa murder case na to.
So, base sa aming nakalap na investigasyon, yung dalawang to na si Mark Brian Sablot, nag-alitan sila hanggang sa napunta sa awayan dahil lang sa isang babae.
Okay po, sir. Thank you. Okay, meron.
So, ito po yung medical certificate ng ating examinee na nagpapatunay na wala siyang sakit, wala siyang iniindang sakit.
Kayo po ba ay binigyan ng sapat na oras para makapag-relax para sa ating polygraph examination na ito, sir?
Yes, sir.
Kung gayon po, ito po yung papel na kailangan nating pirmahan kung nag-agree po kayo sa ating polygraph examination na mangyayari sa araw na ito, sir. Kung gayon po, magtatanong lang ako ng katanungan. Kayo po ba si Mark Brian Sablot?
Yes po.
Ilang taon na po kayo, sir?
23 po, sir.
Wala po ba kayong iniindang sakit?
Wala po, sir.
Kung gayon po, magpapatuloy na tayo sa ating examination. So, good morning, sir. Dito po, i-assess ko po kayo sa part ng ating polygraph instrument na ating gagamitin para sa inyo. Ito po yung pneumograph 1 and 2 kung saan minomonitor nito ang inyong paghinga, and ito po yung cardiosphemograph kung saan minomonitor nito ang inyong blood pressure, sir, and ito po yung finger electron kung saan namomonitor dito yung inyong electrothermal activities. Yung mga nakakabit po sa inyo ay nagmamonitor dito sa ating polygraph instrument. So may chart rin po tayo dito kung saan makikita ang inyong mga physiological responses ng inyong katawan sa mga katanungang ibibigay sa atin mamaya. Yun lamang po, sir. Narito na po ang ating mga katanungan. Totoo bang ikaw ay nakasuot ng puting damit ngayon?
Yes po.
Naniniwala ka ba pag sinabi ko ang katanungan ay base lamang sa ating na-review kanina?
Yes po.
Tungkol sa pagkamatay ni John Lloyd Thomas, sasagutin mo ba ang mga tanong ng pawang katotohanan lamang?
Yes po.
Bago matapos ang taon, naranasan mo na bang manakit ng ibang tao?
Yes po.
Pinatay mo ba si John Lloyd Thomas?
Hindi po.
Bago matapos ang taon, naranasan mo na bang makapatay ng tao?
Hindi po.
Buong buhay mo, naranasan mo na bang manakit ng ibang tao?
Hindi po po.
Naniniwala ka ba pag sinabi kong ang katanungan ay base lamang sa ating na-review kanina?
Yes po.
Totoo bang ikaw ay nakasuot ng puting damit ngayon?
Yes po.
Naniniwala ka ba pag sinabi ko ang mga katanungan ay base lamang sa ating na-review kanina?
Yes po.
Tungkol sa pagkamatay ni John Lloyd Thomas, sasagutin mo ba ang mga tanong ng pawang katotohanan lamang?
Yes po.
Bago matapos ang taon, naranasan mo na bang manakit ng ibang tao?
Yes po.
Pinatay mo ba si John Lloyd Thomas?
Hindi po po.
Bago matapos ang taon, naranasan mo na bang makapatay ng tao?
Hindi po po.
Buong buhay mo, naranasan mo na bang manakit ng ibang tao?
Hindi po po.
Pinatay mo ba si John Lloyd Thomas?
Hindi po po.
Tungkol sa pagkamatay ni John Lloyd Thomas, sasagutin mo ba ang mga tanong ng pawang katotohanan lamang?
Yes po.
Bago matapos ang taon, naranasan mo na bang manakit ng ibang tao?
Yes po.
Maniniwala ka ba pag sinabi kong ang katanungan ay base lamang sa ating na-review kanina?
Yes po.
Buong buhay mo, naranasan mo na bang manakit ng ibang tao?
Yes po.
So, yun lamang po sir. Thank you so much po. Maaari mo po tayong paghintay muna at antayin ng ating resulta ng inyong examination. Sir, based po sa ating polygraph examination, nakita po natin dito sa ating chart na may deception indicated po sa ating examine.